Hello and welcome back to African Metaphysical Center for Spiritual Healing, Body, Mind, and Spirit Development. I am your host, Kufu Amara, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, and Qigong instructor. Today's topic is how to create your own reality. This is a step-by-step process to create your reality. Okay? So let's get started. Step 1, visualize your dream. Close your eyes and visualize what you truly desire. Picture it in a much detail as possible. Things like what it looks like, how it feels, and the emotions involved. Step 2, set clear intentions. Write down your intention clearly. Be specific about what you want to manifest. For example, instead of I want a new job, say I want a fulfilling job in my passion. Step 3, use affirmations. Create positive affirmations that align with your intentions. Repeat them daily. For example, I am worthy of my dream life. I am worthy of my dream life. Step 4, take inspired action. Manifestation is not just about thinking, it's about doing. Take small inspired actions each day towards your goals, whether it's networking, studying, or practicing a skill. Make it happen. Step 5, trust the process. Trust that the universe is supporting you. Stay patient and open to opportunities. Sometimes what you desire might come in unexpected ways. Step 6, practice gratitude. Expressing gratitude is very important. Express gratitude for what you have and what's coming. Keep a gratitude journal and write down things you appreciate each day. This raises your vibration. This is the main reason you are doing this. So believe and achieve. Remember, creating your reality takes time and belief. Stay committed to your vision. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep expanding your understanding of the world and beyond. Ancient knowledge is still out there. Seek the truth. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe.